These here are my two garage door openers. The first one is a LiftMaster Professional Formula 1 Chamberlain. They are belt drive. You can see the belt there. It's the other side of it. This one and that one are both the same. Both belt drive. Let me get the camera on the. Let me get the. Now I'll do that in a minute. But here are the controls. LiftMaster Chamberlain. And now I'm going to go out to the car and get the remote control. And there's the control. It is a 973 LM from 2002. It does work. I'll demonstrate. Oh, except for that one. It does work, and that one there's for that door. And here are these sensors. Funny, these don't work while the others do. I might have to adjust them. See there, I gotta adjust them. And I don't feel like it right now. If anyone can make a video on how to adjust these, it would be greatly appreciated. And just post that as a video response to this video. This one here, I think it does need adjusting also. It's nice wiring, isn't it? These over here work. Amazingly, they do work. I don't know if these need adjusting or not, but they do work. Here's the other one. I don't feel like crawling on the floor. Get those. There's your quick release. That one's quick release. Anyways, over and out.